Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. So Jory John and Pete Oswald have done it again with, this time, The Big Cheese. I love this book. This is number 7 in the same kind of series, and I will buy them all. I love the fact that inside is truly making your children and realistically reminding ourselves of the importance of principles and morals. And I love that each book, especially this one, has to deal with something different. The illustrations are remarkable. I am so into reading this book. I honestly couldn't wait to get it. As soon as we got our hands on it, we read it, and both my daughter and myself loved it, and I would read it again immediately after. I have to say, one of the best parts about it is that there is always a recurring something. So this one was like, oh yeah, say it with me please, the big cheese, ta-da, you better believe it. And it happened a couple times. And man, I put my all into reading this with my daughter. It made it come to life even more. I absolutely love this set of books, especially this one, The Big Cheese, but that's just my point of view.